we go. That's this is a Union British made, I believe it's a railway lock. You can see it's pretty hefty, solid brass, and it also has a brass shackle. This is for ease of removal. In, say, the case of an emergency, the brass shackle can be cut through relatively easy. I know I've whacked through them with a fire axe before. One well-placed whack with a fire axe will cut through that shackle, or 30 seconds with a hacksaw, or a fraction of a second with bolt cutters. For instance, if this were placed on a track switch on a railway, and the tracks needed to be switched in a speedy fashion, or in an emergency situation, this lock would just be whacked off with a axe or the like. So there it is. Thank you, Scarface8888, for the lock in trade. Peace as always. I picked that with Sparrow's short hook and my Sparrow's double-ended tension wrench. So don't break the law and have fun, and thank you, Sparrows, for the support. Check out Key Picking if you want to learn how to pick a lock. Until next time, have fun.